Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this 2011 Mercedes-Benz C300. This should be the same for any newer model C-Class. Battery on these cars is located underneath of this air box. Just held in with these 3 clips. Just unclip them, and one in the middle. And lift up on it, pull it out of there, and there's your battery. Start by disconnecting the battery at the negative terminal. Always start with the negative terminal. And pop this cover off and detach the positive terminal. Carefully detach this hydrogen vent tube on the side here. Take a 13mm on a long extension and remove the 2 hold down bolts. Snatch the hold down clamp out of there. I'll raise up these 2 handles on the battery, just yank it out. Make sure your replacement battery is the same polarity. Remove this protective cap from the positive terminal, and it's got a little plug here that you break off. You use that to plug the other side of the hydrogen vent hole. So I'll take this, just gently tap it in. Get these cables out of the way. Make sure it's sitting flat and it's shoved all the way towards the fender. And take your hold down clamp. The little notched end faces the battery. Get that in place. Run the bolts in. Now connect the hydrogen breather tube in there. And get rid of this protective cap of the negative terminal. Now connect the positive terminal first. And then connect the negative terminal. And get this protective cover back off the positive terminal. Why not? Now I'll take this air box. Take note that it's got these 4 tabs on the bottom. I have to pile it into these slots. So you go like this. Just make sure those notches make it to their slots. And then slide the clips on. And that's it. You're done.